Are you grinding away, making videos, researching questions people have, trying to solve problems for your audience, and just busting your tail making videos to get content out there and working hard to get subscribers? Well, first of all, keep doing that. But there's also some other things that you can do to help remind your watchers to hit that subscribe button. You can make it easy, present that option to them. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that I have to do that right after this. Just hit record. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ken with Just Hit Record, and on this channel, I want to help you overcome the fears and doubts, the tech, anything that may be holding you back from hitting that record button so that you will just hit record, and then we'll work on leveling up your channel, helping you to create better content. So in this video, once again, I want to talk about 3 simple things that you can do to help remind people to subscribe to your channel by making it easy and presentable to them, so that all they have to do is hit that subscribe button and come back and see your future content. So I want to say up front, very first thing is that if your content is good, people will subscribe. Content will always be king. Content is going to be what keeps people coming back. And if you make content that's watchable, put the work in, grind, research, prepare your videos before you hit that record button, then people will subscribe to your channel. But there are some things you can do to make it easy. So again, I'm going to run through 3 things. We're going to start very simply with add a subscribe now video watermark. So a subscribe now video watermark is actually what you see down in the corner here. That is a little icon that people can click on and will help them to just be able to subscribe right from that point. So I will go to show you this, how this works. So basically on your video, if somebody's watching on desktop, they can see this little square down here, this little icon. When they click on that, it'll pop up to subscribe. Now, because this is my channel, I can't hit subscribe, but this is what it would look like to your viewer. And so this is all that would need to be there. Now, how do we make this? First of all, you need to make this in your graphics software, whatever you use to create graphics. So if we go, I use PicMonkey. If we go to this, basically, you need to create a square icon. You can put anything you want to in that square, and this is what will be down in the corner of your videos. So as you can see, this is the icon that you see on my channel. Now, the only thing that you need to make sure that you worry about is that the size of it is 150 by 150. That is the recommended icon size for that watermark. So create whatever you want this to look like. Make sure it's that size. Once you've done that, go to your YouTube studio, go to customization. And for customization, go to branding. And then down here, you can set your video watermark. Now, I have mine set here. You see it there. I've uploaded that. There are some other options here. You can make it display only at the end of the video. I don't like that option because I want that to be visible throughout the video. You can set a custom start time, which I have done here for 5 seconds in. So 5 seconds of the video will play and then this watermark will pop up. I think for me, that kind of gives somebody who's watching the video in that first few seconds, and then boom, something happens down in the corner. Oh, what's that? It grabs their attention. You can also set it to entire video, which is an option down here. If you set that, you'll see that my custom start time goes away, but I want to keep that 5 seconds. So I'm going to keep that set. There's my 5 seconds. Whenever you're done, you simply save it, and there you go, you're all set. So that is all there is to that. You set that video watermark, and then that will be visible in your videos. People will be able to click that easily. It'll grab their attention. They click, they subscribe. Your job there is done. So tip number 2 that I have, make your channel URL a link that will automatically ask somebody if they want to subscribe. So the way that you do this, I'm going to show you on one of my videos. If you go to any of my videos, you're going to see one of the first things I put in the description: for all things content creation, subscribe to the channel. And there's a link. Of course, YouTube shortens links in the description so you can't see the whole thing. But if I click on this, and it's going to say confirm channel subscription, are you sure you want to subscribe to Just Hit Record? Now I can hit subscribe. For me, because this is my channel, this is not going to work right. But your viewer, if they hit subscribe, it will subscribe them to the channel. So how do I do that? Let's go back to the video. So I'm going to go back, and here's the video. Now in my description, like I said, I have that link down here all the time. So if I go to edit, this will give you the view as if you were editing your video for the first time. You can see the URL right here. So basically the URL is my channel, www.youtube.com/c/justhitrecordofficial. The only thing that you need to add to make that happen is this last part. !sub_confirmation equals 1. Add that to your URL. That will make that into a URL that when people click that, it will ask them if they want to subscribe. I think you should do that in every link that you share for your channel. If you share that to your website, to your blog, in your videos like this, if you send a link to somebody, make sure that you add that to the end of the video. If you want to go to any of my videos and go down to the description of the video, you can copy it from there. I'll also have it in the description of this one so that you can easily copy and paste that out. But this is an easy way to give somebody a link to click on. So again, when they click on your channel link, it will automatically ask them if they want to subscribe. Okay, so the third tip that I have for you for helping you to gain more subscribers, if you're live streaming, there's an easy way that you can gain more subscribers through your live streams, and that is setting your live stream chat to subscriber only chat. Now, this is a newer feature for YouTube. I have been using it ever since it came out. A bunch of other creators that I associate with have also, and it has really helped us grow our channels and gain subscribers. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. So if you go to your channel dashboard, now first you have to create the live stream through whatever live streaming tool that you use. I use Ecamm, and so I've already created a stream. Let's go to YouTube Studio. The next thing you want to do is go to Content, and if you have already created your live stream, you go to the Live tab, and you'll see that stream here. So we are going to edit this stream. Now, you will see everything that you set up for that live stream. The only thing you need to do to turn on your subscriber only chat is go to customization on the left side, and you'll see a few options here: live chat replay, and then you have participant modes. So participant modes, who can send messages. This is going to be who can send messages to your chat window. So the default option is anyone. You can hit subscribers here, and then it'll pop up another box, minimum subscribe time. You can set this to anything you want to. 1 minute, 5, 10, and 20 are the default, or you can go to custom and you can set it to whatever you want. You got duration, minutes. You can set it to hour, day, week, month, year. Now for me, I don't want to make people necessarily wait. I want them to be able to participate in the chat as part of the audience immediately. So I set the minimum subscribe time to any duration. So now I'll show you what this looks like in action. If you go to your stream, so grab your URL, go to the actual live stream video, you will see in the chat now, you will see just hit record, turned on subscribers only mode. Only channel subscribers can send messages. So what this will essentially do is open the chat window to people that are subscribed to your channel. So during your live streams, your audience wants to participate in the chat. They may or may not have remembered to subscribe at some other point. This is going to let them know immediately, oh man, I'm not subscribed. Let me hit that subscribe button so that I can participate with the audience. This serves a few purposes. I think this does a few things for your channel, not only subscribers. This is going to help monitor your chat, help moderate your chat a little bit, only subscribers chatting. This is going to keep people who just happen to come across your channel or trolls or whatever to not be able to necessarily participate because they probably don't want to subscribe to your channel. But the biggest thing that's going to happen for you is that when you do have a stream, you will have people that will subscribe to take part in that. You may lose a few after, which is completely okay, but what I've found for the most part is that those people that have subscribed to your channel, they end up sticking around. I was able to grow in the last couple of months since YouTube has initiated this function. On my first channel, I went from about 1,550 subscribers to around 1,650. So it has really helped gain larger numbers since YouTube turned this feature on. I really enjoy it. But what do you think? What are your thoughts about subscriber only chat? I would love to hear different opinions on this. This is a brand new feature. I've seen some creators use it, some don't. So I would genuinely love to know what you think about that subscriber only chat. So that's going to do it for this video. My hope is that this video will help you with those 3 things that maybe you didn't realize that you could set. I hope those 3 things will help you to gain subscribers quicker. Again, content is most important, so make sure that you are working, making content, answering questions, solving problems for people that they will want to subscribe. But these are just 3 tips you can use to help people to remember to subscribe and give that option to them in an easier way so that it pops up. They don't have to do very much to do it except click a button and you're all set. So I appreciate you being here. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it, and hit that thumbs up. That helps the channel greatly. Make sure you also check out my website that will be listed down in the description below. You'll be able to find everything that I have going on here at Just Hit Record. So check out that website, bookmark it. If you have any questions about anything, make sure you throw them in the chat. Let me know anything that you need. I'd be glad to answer that for you. Thanks again for watching this video. Make sure that you follow these tips. I think these tips will help you with your subscriber count. They will help you gain some subscribers. So we'll see you with the next video, guys. Remember, just hit record. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.